SASE and Azure, a comprehensive analysis of their complementary relationship. The convergence of Secure Access Service Edge, SASE, architecture with Microsoft Azure is a game changer in enterprise network security and cloud infrastructure management. This integration tackles the core challenges of securing distributed workforces and optimizing cloud connectivity and performance, bringing about a host of synergistic benefits. These benefits include an enhanced security posture, improved user experience, and streamlined IT operations. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. You know the drill. I need your likes and subscribes, so let's have them. Now back to the video. Secure Access Service Edge represents a transformative leap in network security, converging essential networking and security functions into a unified cloud-delivered platform. The SASE framework integrates multiple critical components, including software-defined wide area networking, SD-WAN, secure web gateway, SWG, cloud access security broker, KSB, firewall as a service, FWaaS, and zero trust network access, ZTNA. This convergence addresses the limitations of traditional security models that relied on on-premises appliances and disparate point solutions which struggled to provide the agility, flexibility, and comprehensive protection required for modern distributed enterprises. The SASE architecture operates on four fundamental principles that set it apart from conventional networking approaches. First, it employs an identity-driven access model, granting permissions based on verified user and device identities rather than network location. Second, the framework utilizes cloud-native infrastructure, enabling scalable, globally distributed security services. Third, it provides comprehensive edge protection, securing every physical, digital, and logical connection point. Finally, SASE platforms implement zero trust security principles that assume no implicit trust and verify every access request regardless of origin. These unique features make SASE architecture a powerful and innovative solution for modern network security. Microsoft Azure provides a comprehensive cloud computing platform that is the foundation for modern enterprise digital transformation initiatives. The platform offers extensive infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS capabilities. Azure's global network infrastructure spanning over 170 points of presence worldwide provides the geographical distribution and performance characteristics essential for effective SASE implementation. The platform's integration with Microsoft's broader ecosystem, including Microsoft 365, Azure Active Directory, now Microsoft Entra ID, and various security solutions, creates a cohesive environment for implementing comprehensive security strategies. Azure's Virtual WAN service is a particularly relevant component for SASE integration. It provides software-defined connectivity that links branch offices, data centers, and cloud resources through optimized routing and centralized management. This networking foundation complements SASE architectures by delivering the underlying connectivity infrastructure that security services can leverage to create comprehensive protection across distributed environments. The service's capabilities and alignment with SASE principles make it a key player in successfully integrating SASE and Azure. Microsoft's native SASE solutions integration, Microsoft Entra Security Service, Edge. Microsoft has developed its own security service Edge solution as part of the broader SASE ecosystem, integrated directly into the Azure and Microsoft 365 environments. The Microsoft Entra Internet Access and Microsoft Entra Private Access services form the core of this offering, providing cloud-delivered networking capabilities that unify identity, network security, and endpoint controls. These solutions leverage conditional access as the zero trust policy engine, creating a seamless integration between identity management and network security that eliminates the need to manage users, groups, and applications across disparate systems. The Microsoft SSE solution addresses critical enterprise requirements through enhanced capabilities that simplify migration from traditional network security technologies while improving user experience and security posture. Recent enhancements include near real-time network access, revocation capabilities, and encrypted traffic inspection, which provide granular control and visibility into network activities. The integration with Azure infrastructure enables organizations to leverage existing Azure investments while extending security controls to distributed users and resources regardless of location. Global Secure Access Client implementation. Microsoft's Global Secure Access Client significantly advances client-side SASE implementation, enabling seamless integration between end-user devices and advanced Microsoft 365 security features. The client operates across various platforms with public preview availability for Mac OS and iOS, expanding the solution's reach beyond traditional Windows environments. This cross-platform approach ensures comprehensive coverage for diverse device ecosystems in modern enterprises. The GSAC implementation leverages Microsoft's extensive global network infrastructure to deliver consistent security and performance regardless of user location or service delivery model. Users receive uniform security treatment through the integrated SASE framework when accessing on-premises data centers, cloud services, SaaS applications, or internet resources. This approach eliminates the traditional security gaps when users connect from various locations and access different resources. Third-party SASE integration through Azure Marketplace, comprehensive vendor ecosystem. Azure Marketplace provides a robust platform for third-party SASE vendors to deliver their solutions directly within the Azure environment, creating extensive integration opportunities. These marketplace offerings enable organizations to deploy SASE solutions that leverage Azure's infrastructure while maintaining compatibility with existing Azure services and management tools. The marketplace approach facilitates rapid deployment and scaling of SASE capabilities without requiring extensive infrastructure modifications or separate management systems. Major SASE vendors have developed specific Azure integrations that optimize performance and simplify management. For example, Cloud Gateway offers a flexible, cloud-native SASE solution built on 3 core pillars: connect, protect, and inspect. Their platform provides VPN site connectivity, remote access capabilities, data center connectivity, and managed WAN services, all delivered through Azure infrastructure. The security components include firewall as a service, secure web gateway, and web application firewall capabilities, while the inspection pillar provides comprehensive visibility and analytics. Specialized security partner integrations. Azure Firewall Manager supports integration with specialized security partner providers, enabling organizations to leverage best-in-breed security solutions while maintaining centralized management through Azure infrastructure. Zscaler is a supported security partner providing advanced user-aware internet protection for cloud workloads running on Azure. This integration model allows organizations to utilize familiar security solutions while benefiting from Azure's global distribution and automated route management capabilities. The partnership approach extends beyond simple connectivity to sophisticated traffic routing and policy management. Organizations can deploy secured hubs configured with their preferred security partners across multiple Azure regions, providing global coverage and consistent security policies. The integration supports various traffic scenarios, including VNet to Internet and branch to Internet filtering, with the flexibility to combine partner security solutions with native Azure firewall capabilities for different traffic types. Network connectivity enhancements and optimization. Azure Virtual WAN integration. Integrating SASE solutions and Azure Virtual WAN creates powerful network optimization opportunities that enhance security and performance. Open systems integration with Azure Virtual WAN demonstrates how SASE platforms can provide secure, reliable, and high-performance access to Azure services worldwide from remote offices and branch locations. This integration addresses the critical requirement for enterprises to extend cloud benefits throughout their organizations while maintaining security and performance standards. The technical implementation involves sophisticated IPsec tunnel automation, enabling seamless branch to Azure VPN connectivity. SASE orchestrator configuration for Azure Virtual WAN supports static routing and advanced networking scenarios, providing flexibility for different organizational requirements. The integration supports multiple deployment models, including one-arm and two-arm configurations with auto-scaling capabilities that adapt to changing traffic demands. SASE integration with Azure infrastructure significantly improves network performance by reducing latency and optimizing traffic routing. Traditional network security approaches often require hairpinning traffic through centralized data centers for inspection, creating performance bottlenecks and poor user experiences. SASE architecture deployed on Azure infrastructure eliminates these inefficiencies by inspecting traffic at nearby points of presence and routing it directly to destinations. The optimization benefits extend beyond simple latency reduction, including intelligent traffic management and bandwidth optimization. SASE SD-WAN functions integrated with Azure Virtual WAN provide traffic prioritization, WAN optimization, and self-healing capabilities. Using artificial intelligence platforms, these capabilities ensure reliable and consistent performance for critical applications while adapting to changing network conditions and traffic patterns. Security enhancement and zero trust implementation, unified security policy management. The combination of SASE and Azure enables comprehensive security policy management that spans traditional network boundaries and cloud environments. Microsoft's approach integrates conditional access policies with network security controls, creating a unified framework that applies consistent security policies regardless of user location or resource destination. This integration eliminates the complexity of managing separate security systems and reduces the risk of policy inconsistencies. The unified approach extends to threat protection and data loss prevention capabilities through partnerships with specialized security vendors. Microsoft's integration with Netskope, currently in private preview, demonstrates how Azure-based SASE solutions can incorporate advanced capabilities. This partnership model enables organizations to leverage best-of-breed security technologies while maintaining operational simplicity. Advanced threat detection and response. SASE integration with Azure Security Services creates enhanced threat detection and response capabilities that leverage the scale and intelligence of Microsoft's global security infrastructure. The BOSS, Zero Trust, SASE extension into Azure demonstrates how organizations can apply existing security policies and configurations to Azure hosted resources while maintaining centralized management and reporting. The integration enables real-time log streaming to Azure Sentinel, providing comprehensive security information and event management (CM) capabilities. Cloudflare's SASE integration with Microsoft's ecosystem illustrates how multi-vendor approaches can enhance security outcomes while simplifying management. The integration provides risky user isolation, application and data visibility, and comprehensive access controls that work seamlessly with Microsoft's cloud applications and services. This approach enables organizations to consolidate security management through unified interfaces while maintaining the flexibility to choose best-of-breed solutions for specific requirements. Implementation strategies and use cases. Enterprise migration scenarios. Organizations implementing SASE with Azure typically follow structured migration strategies that minimize disruption while maximizing security improvements. The implementation begins with a comprehensive assessment of the existing network and security architecture to identify gaps and optimization opportunities. Organizations then define specific SASE objectives, such as improved security posture, enhanced user experience, or reduced operational complexity. The transition planning phase develops a phased approach to integrate SASE components with existing infrastructure while maintaining operational continuity. A&S Group's Zero Trust Network Access Accelerator for Microsoft Azure exemplifies the structured approach to SASE implementation. The accelerator provides secure access to applications regardless of user location or hosting environment, implementing key zero trust principles to verify users and devices before every application session. The solution integrates with Azure Active Directory and Azure AD App Proxy, extending modern access control approaches to on-premises resources while simplifying user access and modernizing security with conditional access. Branch office and remote worker support. SASE integration with Azure addresses the specific challenges of securing branch offices and remote workers in distributed enterprise environments. The solution enables secure access to corporate applications, data, and services regardless of user location or resource hosting environment. This capability is particularly valuable for organizations with extensive branch office networks or large remote workforces that require consistent security and performance standards. The implementation supports various connectivity scenarios, from simple remote access to complex multi-site networking requirements. Cloud Gateway's SASE platform demonstrates how organizations can provide VPN site connectivity, remote access, and data center connectivity through a unified solution. The platform's managed WAN services capability enables organizations to outsource network infrastructure while controlling security policies and performance requirements. Operational benefits and management simplification. Centralized management and visibility. Integrating SASE with Azure infrastructure provides comprehensive centralized management capabilities that simplify IT operations while improving security oversight. Organizations gain unified visibility and control over hybrid work environments through a converged SASE architecture. This enables automation-driven network configuration and consistent security policy management, eliminating the complexity of managing multiple disparate systems. This ensures consistent security standards across all environments. Advanced monitoring and analytics capabilities provide a more profound understanding of network behavior and security events. The integration enables real-time visibility into network performance, utilization, and traffic flow. This allows administrators to track and modify security configurations efficiently. SIEM and SOC integration capabilities ensure that security events and logs can be incorporated into existing security operations workflows. Cost optimization and scalability. SASE implementation with Azure provides significant cost optimization opportunities compared to traditional network security approaches. The cloud-native architecture eliminates the need for extensive on-premises hardware investments while providing flexibility to scale resources. Organizations can start with minimal implementations and scale on demand, optimizing costs while ensuring adequate performance and security coverage. The scalability benefits extend beyond simple resource scaling, including geographical expansion and performance optimization. Organizations can deploy SASE capabilities across multiple Azure regions to provide global coverage without requiring separate infrastructure investments. The integration with Azure's global network infrastructure ensures consistent performance and security standards regardless of deployment scale or geographical distribution. Future trends and strategic considerations. The SASE and Azure integration landscape continues to evolve with new partnership models and technical capabilities that expand implementation options. Microsoft's announcement of integrations with multiple SD-WAN and connectivity solution providers, including Aviatrix, Checkpoint, Cisco, HP, Aruba, Teridion, and Versa Networks, demonstrates the expanding ecosystem of SASE integration options. These partnerships utilize templatized and automated workflows to provide seamless integration while maintaining the flexibility to choose optimal solutions for specific requirements. The evolution toward comprehensive SASE ecosystems reflects the industry recognition that no single vendor can address all customer requirements. Microsoft's partnering with specialized security and networking vendors while providing unified management and visibility represents a strategic model that balances capability breadth with implementation flexibility. This ecosystem approach enables organizations to leverage existing investments while incrementally adopting advanced SASE capabilities. Strategic implementation considerations. Organizations considering SASE and Azure integration must evaluate multiple factors to ensure successful implementation and long-term value realization. Gartner's definition of single-vendor SASE offerings emphasizes the importance of converged network and security capabilities delivered through cloud-centric architecture. However, the practical implementation often requires careful consideration of existing infrastructure, regulatory requirements, and operational capabilities to determine the optimal integration approach. The strategic value of SASE and Azure integration extends beyond immediate technical benefits to include long-term organizational agility and competitive advantage. Organizations that successfully implement integrated SASE and Azure solutions position themselves to adapt more rapidly to changing business requirements while maintaining strong security postures. The cloud-native approach provides the foundation for implementing emerging technologies and security capabilities without requiring extensive infrastructure modifications. Conclusion: the complementary relationship between SASE and Azure represents a fundamental shift in how organizations approach network security and cloud infrastructure management. This integration addresses the critical challenges of securing distributed workforces while optimizing cloud connectivity and performance through converged networking and security functions. Microsoft's native SASE solutions provide seamless integration with Azure infrastructure, while extensive third-party vendor options through Azure Marketplace ensure organizations can choose optimal solutions for their specific requirements. The continued evolution of SASE and Azure integration will likely focus on expanding ecosystem partnerships, improving automation capabilities, and enhancing security intelligence through advanced analytics and machine learning. Organizations that embrace this integrated approach will be better positioned to adapt to changing business requirements while maintaining strong security postures in an increasingly distributed and cloud-centric operational environment. The strategic value extends beyond immediate technical benefits, including long-term organizational agility and competitive advantage in the digital economy.